How can we find our way through fear and opportunity in the ever-changing narrative of crypto? Today, we're diving into the dynamic realm of cryptocurrency, a landscape marked by exhilarating peaks and daunting valleys. At this moment, anxiety is at an all-time high. The market is awash in red, and investors everywhere are feeling the pressure. But could this chaos be misleading? What if this period of uncertainty is not a sign of impending failure, but rather a precursor to a significant breakthrough? Join us as we explore the reality behind the data and the hidden chances that lie within the turmoil. This is just the beginning. The fear is genuine, yet deceptive. Bitcoin's recent decline has sent ripples through the community. Social media is buzzing with talk of impending disaster, and liquidations are on the rise. The return of volatility is unsettling many investors. But let's take a moment to reflect. Are we reacting to real threats, or is this just part of the natural ebb and flow of the crypto market? When we take a step back and look at the bigger picture, we find that Bitcoin remains surprisingly close to strong macro support. This isn't unfamiliar territory for experienced investors. Historically, every bull market has faced moments of doubt, the turbulence that shakes out the less committed and clears the way for those of us who are ready to weather the storm. If you examine the technical indicators closely, they are beginning to hint at possible reversal points. Yet, amid this fear, many are too focused on the red numbers to notice the opportunities emerging in the background. The insights buried in the data. Here's a piece of information that often goes unnoticed by mainstream media. Blockchain analyst Idana Bada reports that Bitcoin reserves on Coinbase have dropped to a 9-year low. Take a moment to let that sink in. What does this mean? It indicates that Bitcoin is being withdrawn from exchanges at a rapid pace. This pattern strongly suggests accumulation. The savvy investors are not in a state of panic. Instead, they are quietly gearing up for the next surge. While retail investors may be selling off due to fear, the larger players, the whales, are expanding their holdings and moving their Bitcoin into cold storage for protection. Historically, such a divergence between retail and institutional investors has often preceded significant bull runs. A supply squeeze is on the horizon, and the broader market has yet to recognize this reality. Insights from CoinSnacks. Recent reports from CoinSnacks reflect this perspective. Although ETF inflows may have slowed down, they have not completely halted. Institutional investors are still actively positioning themselves for the right moment. The wise among them understand that the greatest profits come not from chasing rising prices but from capitalizing on opportunities during uncertain times. While regulatory scrutiny is on the rise, it shouldn't be viewed as a crisis. Instead, consider it a necessary process that filters out the noise and helps establish a more legitimate and stable ecosystem. The fundamentals of the crypto market remain strong, it's the sentiment that has shifted. This change in sentiment is what makes this moment so significant and full of potential. Just take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. It indicates that extreme fear is prevailing in the market. Historically, these fear-driven periods are often the best times to prepare for a rebound rather than to exit. What's next in your next steps? So, what lies ahead? As the market tightens and volatility comes to the forefront, history shows us that when Bitcoin consolidates like this, it won't remain quiet for long. Prepare for more fear and possibly some false signals. However, also watch for those subtle indicators, outflows from exchanges, a developing supply crunch, previously inactive wallets becoming active, and notable movements. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency is more than just numbers on a screen, it involves a deep understanding of human emotions. Right now, many people are reacting emotionally to the market. To succeed in this environment, you need to remain steady and composed amid the turmoil. The anxiety you witness today might just be the catalyst for tomorrow's market surge. However, only those who are calm and ready will reap the benefits. If you found this exploration of the crypto world engaging, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable insights, and share your opinions in the comments below. Are you holding firm during this turbulent time, or are you feeling uncertain? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay alert, stay grounded, and keep your focus on the future in the constantly changing realm of cryptocurrency.